What's up? This is unfed in virtual reality or mixed reality. Kind of jumpy because I'm recording, but this right here is real data. This is so Ryan and Howard can see the data in a totally different way. Nobody want to use no 2D charts no more. No, I'm just joking. So I got a lot of work to do. I can scale this thing to be as big as this room if I want to, but yeah, so I got a lot of work. This data in the graph is not real data, but I can easily hook that up. Don't mind those thumbnails, I just had to find some icons for right now. But this is Tony Stark type style right here. Stop recording.